Hey everybody, it's Margaret with MEI and Mouse Fan Travel, and we are at Walt Disney World. So I get a lot of questions about the dining plan. What is it? How does it work? Is it worth it? So there are several options, but the most popular one, you will get 1 quick service dining credit, 1 table service dining credits, and 2 snack credits per person per night stay. 4 nights, 4 quick service, 4 table service. 8 snacks. So, and they're all going to be on your Magic Band. Super easy to use. Super convenient. Is it worth it? Yeah, it's going to save you a little bit of money. So, quick service, think fast food. Go pick up your food, you're going to go sit down. Table service, those are the ones we need to make reservations for. So all those credits will be spoken for. Now those snack credits, that's where I get the most questions. How do I use them? How do I know how to use them? So, come on, let's go use some of those snack credits. One of my favorite places to use my snack credits is the confectionery here at the Magic Kingdom. So how do I know what I can use my credits for? You are going to see a little purple square with a D Dining P plan. If you have any questions, you can ask any cast members. Let's go pick out our snacks. So what's Margaret's #1 rule for snack credits? Are we going to buy the $1 banana or the $5 cupcake? Which looks yummier? This one. We're going to use our snack credit for the $5 cupcake. Let's give it a try. You know what this is? This cute mini cupcake? It's red velvet, my favorite. You always have to start with the ears first. Chocolate ears. Oh, I don't think David's going to get any of this. Yum, yum. My favorite. Okay, so I've had my sweet snack. Now it's time for something a little salty. So I love a box of popcorn and a soda. Snack credits you can use. I love my popcorn because I can always share it with David. So, want some, Dave? My all-time really favorite snack is right here. We call it a Mickey Premium Bar. I love it. Get it out of here. Now, this one you can share as well. Not tonight, Dave. Sorry. This is all mine. So, a lot of people don't realize you can use your snack credits here at Starbucks. And there are locations in all the theme parks, and there are 2 here at Disney Springs. Probably this one, this ginormous one, is really my favorite Starbucks of all the Starbucks out there. So don't get a tall or a grande. You get the venti size. If you want to share, you can. If you want to save it for all for yourself, you can do that too. I tend to do that myself. Okay, so how do I keep up with my dining credits, or what's left, or what's not left? You can always look at the bottom of your receipt. Even your quick service meals when you purchase a snack, or your table service meals. Another way that you can keep up with your dining credits is on the app. You go to your plans, to your hotel reservation, you'll look there. And then the last way, you can always just go to your front desk and they will give you a printout of what's left. Okay, so I'm getting ready to go home and I check my dining credits, and guess what? I have snacks left over. So what am I going to do? You're going to go down to the store at your hotel and you're going to purchase packaged goods that you can take home. Goofy snacks, chips, my favorite Rice Krispie treats, anything that's pre-packaged, pick it up. Have it for the airport, have it for the airplane, take it home for treats for after your trip, or as gifts too, you can do that. So we've gone over all of my favorite ways to use your snack credits. As always, thank you so much for following along on my Facebook and Instagram, sharing my posting videos with your friends and family. I will see you real soon. Bye-bye.